Hi guys. So this is something that happened to me that, just like every other thing that happened, I didn't expect it to happen. So I had this client I was doing work for, and you know, like I said, I was going to their houses, meeting up with fantabulous women, rich women. Like when I say rich, okay, not rich, wealthy women. And I was meeting up with them, like I knew their kids, all of that. So I just had this relationship with them. So there's this particular lady that I was supposed to meet with, like let her fit her clothes and all of that. But then she was traveling, and so she said, deliver to my husband. And she sent me the address, sent me all of that. I delivered to him, and the next day I woke up to a WhatsApp message saying, hello, baby. Like a homie, baby. Hello, baby. When are we going to meet again? And I'm like, I was just like, who is this? Because okay, she gave me the number to deliver to, but I did not save the number because I just had to call him and say, oh, I'm coming to your place to deliver Mrs. So person's item. So he's like, oh, so when are we seeing again? And I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't have this number and I don't know who this is. And he's like, you delivered my wife's clothes yesterday. I'm like, oh, okay, this lady's husband. And I said, oh, I don't have anything to deliver for your wife. I already delivered everything for her, so I would not be coming to your office to deliver anything. Did she say I was coming to your office to deliver something? And he's like, oh no, I just want us to be friends. I just want us to have a relationship. My wife doesn't have to know. I was just like, you have got to be kidding me. I just told him off, like, I'm sorry, I cannot have this relationship with you. I can't have this particular friendship that you're seeking with you and all of that. But he still kept messaging me, pestering me, all of that. I'm going to take care of you. This is an opportunity, a golden opportunity. Don't miss it. I can take care of you. I can provide blah, 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 and all of that. I can get you a car. Man, he mentioned a car. I can get you a car. So I'm just like, not today, Satan, not today. Anyway, I ended up blocking him. I am sorry, sir, but not sorry. I ended up blocking him because I just felt disturbed. I'm like, why are you disturbing me? I'm just trying to make clothes. Why are you disturbing me? Anyway, so months down the line, I never mentioned it to my clients. I never told her what happened or the messages that he sent me. Months down the line, she sends me a message and she's like, Chioma, thank you. And I'm like, thank you for what? And she said, yeah, I saw your messages with my husband and I like how you handled it. I saw that you blocked him, and she sent long smiley of her laughing. And so I saw that you blocked him. Thank you for that. And a lot of things are running through my mind, like, what if I had compromised on my own values, on my own principles? What would have happened? Like, I don't know, like how would she have felt? I don't even know if that English is right, but basically, like, how would she have taken it? So that whole experience just made me realize that these things that people say, like, you know how these days people make fun of motivational speakers and all, but the things that they say are very true. You need to live by values. The things that you uphold as your values and principles, what are those things? How do they guide you? How do they guide your actions, your thoughts, even your words? So I would say that having a value that comes to me as second, I don't know how to put it, like, it's not something I sit to think about or consider. Just like how when you're thirsty, you go and drink water. You don't start thinking, oh, which brand of water do I need to drink at this moment? No, you don't do that. You just take water and you drink. So that's how that came to me. So what I learned from this experience, like I said, is your values, your principles. How do they guide you? How do they help you to become a better person? Integrity. A lot of these things just matter. A lot of these things matter. Thank you guys for coming to my TED Talk.